In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Airtable. By the end, you'll have the Airtable app added to your Slack workspace and ready to use for updates and quick actions, all without leaving Slack. First, open a browser and go to app.slack.com, then sign in to the Slack workspace where you want the integration. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams. If your organization restricts app installs, you might need an admin to approve the app, so it's a good idea to check your permissions before you start. Once you're in Slack, look to the left sidebar and find the More option. This opens additional tools that aren't always visible at first glance. Click it to expand, then choose Tools. From there, select Apps. This takes you to the Slack app directory, which is where you add and manage integrations for your workspace. In the app directory search bar, type Airtable. You should see the official Airtable app appear in the results. Open it to view the app details and permissions. Take a moment to skim the description and the list of permissions so you know what access the app will request. This is especially helpful if you need to explain the install to an admin or a teammate. Next, click Install. This begins the setup flow for the Airtable app. On the app page, you'll see the Add to Slack button. Click Add to Slack to connect it to your current workspace. If you have access to multiple workspaces, double check the workspace name in the upper right corner so the app installs in the correct place. You'll be prompted to sign in and authorize the connection. Follow the prompts to authenticate. During this step, you may be asked to allow the app to post messages, view channels you select, or send you DMs. Grant the permissions that match how you plan to use Airtable in Slack, and confirm. If your team requires approval, Slack will show a pending status until an admin approves the app. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to Slack with a confirmation. You should now see Airtable listed under Apps in the left sidebar. Open it to view the welcome message and any quick start tips. From here, you can configure how Airtable sends updates into Slack, such as choosing which channels receive notifications or using / commands for quick lookups. If notifications feel too noisy, adjust channel-specific permissions or create a dedicated channel for Airtable updates so everything stays organized. That's it. You've connected Slack to Airtable and you're ready to streamline your workflow right inside Slack.